Hi, welcome to the Satvik YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about being clean. How to be clean? Detox. Okay, so what is being clean? We all know, all our parents, mother, father, everybody keeps telling you have to be clean, take bath, brush your teeth. We all got used to that telling, right? But we have to do, there is no option. Is there any option? We have to clean. Hopefully you are all taking bath and brushing your teeth and somewhat keep your all your desks and being clean. Do you really like to be dirty? No, right? You like to wear good clothes, at least wear something clean. Yes, once in a while chalega, not being clean, it's okay. But daily, regularly taking bath is good. We all know, right? Okay, then what is this detox? Daily I'm taking bath, I'm brushing my teeth, whether I like it or not. But what is this detox? Okay, so is this enough? Just skin level being clean, applying soap, applying paste here. Is it clean? Or is there is more? We have been eating daily. How much we eat? Around 1.5 kilos. 1.5 kilos daily throughout the day, right? And daily for how many years we have been eating. So what will happen to a muscle where food is going daily? Tons of food has gone through this channel, right? What might happen? It might get stuck. And when a food gets stuck in a place, leave for 2-3 days, what happens? Bacteria grows. You want to see? I am not asking you to open. All so simple. What we can do? Go to wash basin. Under the wash basin, there is a pipe. Just go and open the pipe. How do you feel? What is happening? Water is going, food particles going, it gets stuck. So something similar might happen inside. And that is the cause of many issues. Okay. If you are feeling sluggish, lethargy, can't wake up, or you are feeling dull, or you can't concentrate in your studies, so many issues, this is the cause. Okay. Now, how do you clean the gut? Ayurveda has a beautiful process called Virechana. So Virechana happens in 3 phases. Pre-Virechana. Pre-Virechana is where we see, how do you clean a room? First kya karte hain? What we do? We just small portion we clean and we collect all the dust in one place, right? So that is pre-Virechana. So with use of medicines and little yogasanas and mudra pranayams, what we do? We collect all the particles to a center gut. And then the Virechana day. Virechana day is what? Tea day I call. Toilet day. So we give some small medicine, some legium, some kashayam. So it will just, we have to keep going to the toilet happily. Just go and sit and it will come. What is this process? Just toilet day. But when you do it, you will know the difference. Right? And then there is a post-Virechana. Post-Virechana is just rejuvenation. Feeling good and coming back to the normal. Okay. So see, have you ever felt you being dirty? You go and play into some football, cricket you played, or go into the city and come back to home. You're feeling dirty, and then you take bath. How do you feel? Fresh, na? 100 times more fresher you will feel when you do Virechana, right? You want to listen? Just listen to these two, their experience of Virechana.
My name is Shraddha. I'm studying in class 10. I recently did a teen detox program from Satvik Organic, and after all the processes were complete, I felt so light inside. I felt so active, so energetic. Like before, I used to feel lazy all the time, demotivated, restless, and I felt like I couldn't do anything properly. After this course, I feel so light, active, energetic. I feel like I can do anything. It's really got some difference in me, brought out some difference in me. And I also lost about 2 kgs and all my pants are loose. So I'm happy with that too.
My name is Arjun Verma, and I would like to talk about my experience with the Teen Detox course. So the course was very rigorous initially because of the restricted diet we had to follow and the yoga asanas that the instructors made us do. But in the end, this all turned out to be the best for me because before coming to this course, I had a lot of hair fall, a lot of pimples on my face. But now, after doing this course and after seeing its magic, my pimples are slowly gone. I'm not giving a ad for any face wash or anything, but this course was really beneficial for me because this fixed a lot of issues in my body, and I was overall very pleased with this course, and I would recommend any other teenager to do this. So yeah, that was my experience.
So, you want to join? You want to be clean? Now it's up to you. Process is there. Whether you want to use it, it's up to you. And you know the beauty part? This can all be done at a comfort of your own home, your own toilet. Okay, but there is a physical process also. If you can come to Bangalore to our center in Jayanagar Sunblock, it can be done more properly also, where you are meeting the doctor, meeting the physically and doing some more processes. But if it's not possible, you can do online. Entire process can be done online also. So it's up to you. So call us, book your slot, and happy toilet day and happy being fresh.